Assalamualaikum and good morning. It's time for your science lecture and open your book, chapter number 2, and the topic is the animal world. Now let's have a quick reflection of the previous lectures. Classification. Classification is the group in which animals lie. Animal kingdom is the classification of several animals. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded and they have fur or hair. Reptiles, bird and fish. Reptiles are cold-blooded whereas birds are warm-blooded and fish are live in water and they are cold-blooded. Our today's topic is amphibians and arthropods. At page number 24, paragraph number 1, amphibians. Amphibians have several common characteristics. They have thin skin, they are cold-blooded, they don't have scales, they have begun life in water and then live on land. Adult female return to water to lay their egg. Frog, toads, and newt are the amphibians. Let's talk about the arthropods. More than 3/4 of all animal species are arthropods. They are found everywhere on earth, on land, in trees, in water, and underground. Arthropods are major source of food for most animals. They are eaten by birds, fish, most mammals, and even other arthropods. Some plants also eat them. To help study arthropods, scientists have divided them into 5 main groups: insects, arachnids, crustaceans, centipedes and millipedes. About 1 million species of insect have been identified on Earth, with probably more than that number still not identified. They have 3 characteristics: a body divided into 3 sections: head, thorax, abdomen, 1 pair of antennae, 3 pair of legs on their thorax. Beetle, ant, ladybird, flies are the example of insects. Now write down the first question. Write 3 main physical characteristics of an insect and amphibian. Answer is they are cold-blooded, they have thin skin, they have no scales or claws. Insect, they have 1 pair of antennae, they have 3 pair of legs, and they have 3 sections: head, thorax, and abdomen. Homework of workbook, page number 14. We already discussed about this topic. A solved worksheet is given. You can copy in your workbook. Good luck and see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.